We are excited to invite you to join our AI and Cybersecurity online bootcamp. Are you looking for a six-figure job? Do you want to get into IT? You work in retail, stores, sales, restaurants, etc., and want to triple your income, work from home in a white-collar job? You do not need a degree anymore. We can help you learn AI/ML, cybersecurity, DevOps, cloud, product management, etc., and get certified in that from Microsoft, Amazon, Google, etc. Work on our capstone project and get help with resume, mocks, marketing your profile. Work for Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Facebook, etc. Get support for 1 year. We do not guarantee any jobs. Contact Strategism. We're a 15 years old multi-million-dollar software and IT training and consulting company. Send an email to contact@strategisming.com and sam@strategisming.com and call us on 408-335-0860.